If you're new to our video, magandang araw mga kaibigan. Hope you are all well and safe today. Thank you for clicking another video of mine. If you're new to our channel, welcome to the Florist family. My name is Rochelle, and I also have my brother Mark, who uploads with his girlfriend, and we upload fashion videos, art videos, lifestyle videos, and probably food now, who knows. Before I continue with this video, please give this a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell button to get my notifications. So without further ado, this video is all about this bag, and I am so excited because this bag is called the Beat bag. It's a Beat collection. It's a 18 size, and I know for a fact that Coach has come out with different collections within the Beat collection. You have different sizes, different colors, different designs, and this, of course, when it first came out, came in two different styles. You have this one, which is the Jean-Michel Basquiat collection, as well as another one that is for the Jean-Michel Basquiat collection. So I'm so excited to share what my thoughts are regarding about this bag and the size of it, of course. And yeah, let's move forward. So Jean-Michel Basquiat, of course, when Coach did the first collaboration, I mean, I'm assuming you all know who he is and what he does, and he's basically an artist from New York. Unfortunately, he died during the 80s, correct me if I'm wrong, and his artwork, they're just wonderful. So wonderful. Honestly, the amount of research that I did about Jean-Michel Basquiat before purchasing this bag was insane. I'm so obsessed, like literally so obsessed. The way he expresses through his art is about, you know, the politics, what's wrong with it, and of course the experience that he has, basically, like he had past tense. And it shows throughout this bag, especially like with the famous quote, and it's kind of like his mantra because he wants to become famous. And then the crown, of course, is, you know, seen within his artwork. And I believe this means that amongst like the Black community, not only can white people be seen as this, you know, high status, but it's kind of like a significant thing as well for the Black community that they're also in a community that but also seen as this high status. Like, it's not just among the white community, but it's also within the Black community. And then, of course, within the strap, you have stopped 7 times in transit. I believe this is a reference from an artist that he used, and basically this artist was stopped 7 times by a policeman, or I don't know, but police people. So that there is very significant in itself by the quote. And I'm assuming with this here, it basically means how much he's selling his artwork. So I'm not entirely sure about this. I couldn't really see it or find it amongst his artwork, but he does use something like this. And whereas for this, at the back, you've got a walk down the street and you've got extras, and I believe this is a train, you know, so I'm not entirely sure what this means, but of course, from what I believe, that this is how, you know, people would walk down a street. And then of course you've got extras, which means it's for the Black community at that time or whatever. It's your own interpretation, but basically bought this because of the significance that it has within this bag, and the quotes that was used, that Coach put onto this bag, has got such a deep meaning, and I just loved it. So this bag cost me $555. It's a limited edition, but I think the Beat bag, like their other collections, are $450. I mean, I'll correct myself onto the screen so you know what I mean. So yeah, so there's also of course different sizes, as I said, but this bag contains of course 3 straps. So you've got your first one, which is the small one, which is perfect for, you know, an evening style. And then you have, bear with me, strap, which I am actually love. I think this is their old style when it came to the chain, but it's like a paper clip style, and I love it. And this goes around your shoulder, which is, you know, perfect. And it's kind of, I would say this is a good comparison to the Cassie 19, but of course the Beat 18 is a lot smaller. So if you want to have a video that is, you know, comparison to Cassie 19, please comment down below and let me know. And if there's any information I have also missed, please let me know down below, as I'm, you know, more than willing to comment back, of course, and do something that is amongst the coach community. But yeah, I love it. You have the long strap for a crossbody. You'll see myself wear this in 3 different, you know, straps. There's some pictures, I think, hardly any pictures actually, of myself wearing this bag because I just cherish it so much. It's the most expensive bag that I own, that is Coach, of course, and it being limited. So I am definitely obsessed with this. Let me show you what it looks like with all the 3 straps before I do a montage of myself or b-roll of myself wearing this bag. There's also one thing that I love about this bag is that you can literally put all 3 straps, and yet this tab here does not actually loosen itself, because on the tabby 26, especially when there's 2 straps, my tab disappeared. So I'm so gutted that whenever I buy a tabby from now on, I will be taking the tab off, especially for the reason of having 2 straps, and I like to have all of the straps. So this is what it looks like with the chain, you know, the chain strap, and it is just gorgeous. Like, look at that feature. Like, Coach, for the price of $550, and you get 3 straps. What more do you want? So that just gives that edgy look to it. And now I'm gonna put on the long strap for a crossbody. So I basically did that as well. So I've threaded it through the middle so it comes out. Let me try and show you what I mean onto the other side. You thread it through the bottom and you loop it back in the inside, and then you've got that loop and you're good to go basically, and voila. So this is what it looks like with the strap on. Of course, like, you know, it is a little bit awkward if you just want to carry it like that, because it does go at the back, but you know, and if you want to do them the shorter strap, I think, you know what you could do as well with this, you could turn it into a little backpack. I don't know how that's done, it just, a thought just came through my mind, but you could turn this into like a little backpack, especially the way that it falls at the back. Do you not find that cute? I find it cute, but yeah. So here are some b-rolls of me wearing this. now I am gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. So you have, you know, your brown suede lining, and then there is, I would say, 4 different compartments within the bag. So you've got your big one, you've got your zipper compartment, and then you've got your other compartment. It's a little bit thinner than the first one, and then of course where you can put your cards, I would assume. But the popper is actually easy. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's really easy to just, you know, pop in and out. And then at the back, of course, you have a little slot here where you can put your phone. And I forgot to take my phone case to demonstrate what I mean by this, because I'm filming myself with my phone. So we'll just have to imagine. Within this bag, because it is small, I actually just bring a small amount of stuff with me when I wear this one. I'm not really a type of person that likes to bring a lot of things anyways, so I'm gonna basically show you what I bring. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be putting in there is my card holder, of course, and this will go into the first compartment here. And then I have my pouch full of things that I need to bring. So you've got your face mask, hand sanitizer, tablets for when my allergies get, you know, inflamed. Is that the right word? I don't know. And then paracetamol, and of course tampons, because you know these things happen for women. So this will go into the first compartment like so, righty. So far it looks like this. And then I also bring, especially if I'm wearing makeup and I, you know, want to look cute on, if I'm wearing this bag, of course, I'm bringing my compact powder, Charlotte Tilbury in 3 dark, and that goes at the back because it's thin enough. And then I also have bought myself a compact powder brush that would fit purposely into this bag. So it's right at the corner. And then I've got my lipstick, Charlotte Tilbury, so you can see what it's looking so far. And then a lip gloss. Come to think of it, let's quickly put some on before Alex comes in, anyways. So, lovely. This is Refresh Rose, and that goes in there as well. So far that's everything I kind of normally would bring. And then of course my AirPods, and this would hopefully will just go in there at the front compartment as well. And then my house keys, and that just goes there. Of course, I actually want to get myself a smaller coin purse that will fit my coins and my notes, but normally I bring this as well with me, and this contains my coins and, you know, notes and more card stuff. I would say discount cards and loyalty cards, but it doesn't fit in this bag. So one thing that I found out, that I actually used this zipper compartment for anything like that, like coins and stuff. I just literally put it in there, and that's what it fits. And then just imagine, you know, having an iPhone 11 and it being in here. So that's where I would normally put my phone, and this is how it looks closed. It's a little bit bulky on this side. As you can see, there's like a gap compared to this side. Oh, I think it's the same. Could be the same. But this is what it looks like closed. It's, you know, with everything that I've shown you, like what it fits inside. So yeah, this is just perfect for evening, going out, just doing something small. It's not something you can bring with, you know, if you're going for a very long journey. It's a very, very fashion forward bag, I would say. So I think this is why I bought it as well, because I just love fashion, and It's the most expensive thing. It's limited edition and I like it. So I hope you like this, and I'm so excited for you all to have one for yourself, because I just am in love, like honestly, I kid you not. Okay, hope you like what you've seen, and before I end this video, please give this a video a like, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to get more notifications. And if you do have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Like I said, I really want to chat with you all, and if you've got any questions, just give me a hit. And if you want to do comparison videos as well, just let me know and I'll let you know if I do have that bag or not. But yeah, okay, bye.